So I discovered something that I have to tell you guys about. This little device here, it's called Your Mental Chill Pill. And what it is it's a handheld device, and it helps reduce anxiety, sleepless nights. I've suffered from anxiety my entire life. As an adult, what it's done is it's kind of manifested itself as insomnia along with anxiety attacks. And so I was really looking for something that wasn't a traditional sleep aid because I don't do well with those. I found this, and you guys, amazing. You turn it on and then you hold it in your hand for 20 minutes at a time. Really calming. I absolutely love it. And it's really made a huge difference. So now instead of me being up all night, if I notice that I'm having insomnia, midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, I'll lay in bed and I'll just hold this. I've also used it for anxiety attacks, and it seems to really calm me down a lot faster than anything I've ever tried. This thing is fantastic. You can control the intensity. Your Mental Chill Pill, total game changer. I totally love this.
You would need this device in your life. So this is the Chill Pill from Mend Your Mental, and I saw it on TikTok, and I thought it was just a trend, and I didn't really believe the hype. But my stress and anxiety were getting the best of me, and I was having a really hard time falling asleep. So I thought, okay, I'll give it a try. So all I have to do is I already turned it on. You just have to hold it in the palm of your hands. So I do this at bedtime, and basically it activates my neural pathways, and it helps my brain to tell my body and my mind to just calm down and relax. It used to take me like 45 minutes to fall asleep, and I kid you not, I am asleep within 10 minutes. It is magic. It doesn't hurt at all, and it's super easy to use. I use it every night at bedtime, and yeah, so you should really check it out because I really like it, and it's really helped me. The Chill Pill from Mend Your Mental.
Check this out. This is the Chill Pill by Mend Your Mental. What I love about this is that I get anxious when I'm trying to sleep at night, and what's that force me to do? It has me tossing and turning, and I just don't get to sleep. What I love about this is I turn it on right here. You can see the 3 buttons in the side, and I just hold it in my hand like this. Actually, I put it on my palm, and I hold it like this, and I hold it for 5 minutes in this hand, and then I switch hands to the other side for another 5 minutes, and I feel a nice relaxing pulse that takes my mind completely off of the anxiety, being stressed out, whatever's on my mind at that moment. This really makes a big difference. And then, guess what? I fall asleep. So if you have that same issue, check this out. Give it a try for yourself. You'll really be glad you did.
Pardon my appearance, but I just wanted to come on here and say, you need this in your life. It is called the Chill Pill from Mend Your Mental, and what it does is it sends electrical pulses through your hand to your brain, telling you to calm down, to chill out, and it saved my life. So I just recently moved colleges, and I got really bad anxiety. I could not sleep. I was anxious and I was not sleeping. I bought this thing because I saw a TikTok ad about it. Did not trust it. The minute I held this into my hand for 20 minutes, I was out. Don't remember falling asleep. And I had the best sleep of my life, and I sleep with it every night. And it is so comforting to hold. And you really should check it out. I recommend it. And it's not painful at all. It is actually really comforting, and I really like it. So check it out. I'll put the link below.